Hello students, this is our lecture number 6. Let's discuss eukaryotic cell structure, that is chloroplast. History of chloroplast. Andreas Kremer in 1883 first developed chloroplast structure, in which plastids are cytoplasmic organelle of photosynthetic protist and plant. They often processes a pigment. Chlorophylls and carotenoids are the sites of synthesis and storage of food reserve. मीन्स क्लोरोप्लास्ट में क्या प्रेजेंट है? टू टाइप के पिगमेंट्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं, क्लोरोफिल एंड कैरोटिनॉइड्स. क्लोरोप्लास्ट कंटेन अ क्लोरोफिल and use a light energy to convert a carbon dioxide and function and water to carbohydrates and oxygen. That is, they are the site of the photosynthesis. Means photosynthesis process are carried out in the chloroplast. Chloroplast contain a chlorophyll and use the light energy to convert a carbon dioxide and water to carbohydrate and oxygen. This process is called the photosynthesis. Two major types of chloroplast have been identified. Those that evolved from a primary endosymbiotic event and those from a secondary event. Chloroplasts are quite variable in size and shape. This is the structure of the chloroplast, but they share many structural features. Most are the oval with the dimension of 2 to 4 micrometer by 5 to 10 micrometer. This is the diameter of a chloroplast. But some photosynthetic protists process a huge chloroplast that fills much of the cell. Chloroplasts are the encompassed by two membrane, means surrounded by the two membrane. Encompassed का मतलब होता है surrounded. Another structure present in the chloroplast is matrix. What is a matrix? A matrix called the stroma, enclosed by the inner membrane, or we can say liquid material present in the chloroplast. It is called the matrix. The stroma contain a DNA, ribosome, lipid droplet, starch granule, and the complex internal membrane system, whose most prominent component are the flattened membrane, delimited sac called the thylakoid cluster of two or more thylakoid are dispersed within the stroma of most algae chloroplast. Means उसमें another structure present है thylakoid. In some photosynthetic protists, several disc-like thylakoid are stacked on each other like a coins to form a grana. What is grana? जो कॉइन लाइक जो अरेंजमेंट होता है, मीन्स स्टैक, एक के ऊपर एक जो अरेंजमेंट होता है थाइलेकोइड का, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? ग्रेना. फोटोसिंथेटिक रिएक्शंस आर सेपरेटेड स्ट्रक्चरली इन द क्लोरोप्लास्ट just as a electron transport and the tricarboxylic acid cycle are in the mitochondria. The trapping of light energy to generate ATP, NADPH, oxygen is referred to as the light reaction. It means light reactions के अंदर क्या ट्रैपिंग होता है? Using a light energy, ATP, NADPH and oxygen. These reactions are located in the thylakoid membrane. It is a very important thing is that light reactions are occur in the thylakoid membrane, whereas chlorophyll and electron transport component are also found. The ATP and NADPH formed by the light reactions are used to form a carbohydrate from carbon dioxide and water in the dark reactions. Means light reactions में जो भी component form होते हैं, for example ATP, NADPH, वो कहाँ पे यूज़ होता है? डार्क रिएक्शंस के अंदर. डार्क रिएक्शंस के अंदर क्या होता है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट फॉर्म होता है. तो ATP, NADPH जो लाइट रिएक्शंस में जनरेट हुए हैं, वो कहाँ पे ट्रांसफ़र होके? डार्क रिएक्शंस के अंदर, कि जहाँ पे कार्बोहाइड्रेट फॉर्म होता है. The dark reactions takes place in the stroma. It is a very important thing. Light reactions take place in the thylakoid and dark reactions take place in the stroma. This is a structure of chloroplast in which intermediate space are present, outer membrane, inner membrane. Inner membrane, it is the present between the outer membrane and granum. Stack of the thylakoids, it is called the granum. Another structure are present in the chloroplast is thylakoid lumen, stroma, liquid material present in the chloroplast, it is called the stroma and thylakoid. Next, move external structure, it is called cilia and flagella. Cilia and flagella are the most prominent external structure observed on the eukaryotic cell. They are associated with the motility. It is a very important. Cilia and flagella are associated with the motility. What is motility? Movement of the cell. It is called the motility. Both are the wipe-like and beat to move the microorganism. Along they differ one another in two ways. Cilia and flagella are differ in the two ways. First, cilia are typically 5 to 20 micrometer in length, whereas flagella are 100 to 200 micrometer long. This is the first difference between cilia and flagella. Second, flagella move in undulating fashion and generate helical waves originating at the base or the tip. If the wave move from base to tip, the cell is pushed along a bit, traveling from the tip towards the base, pull the cells to the water. Some flagella have a lateral hair called the femur filament. What is femur filaments? Thicker, stiffer hairs are located the mastigionemes. What is mastigionemes? A lateral hair in the flagella, it is called the mastigionemes. These filaments change a flagellar axon so that a wave moving down the filaments towards the tip pulls the cell along instead of pushing it. Such flagella are called the tinsel flagella. What is a tinsel flagella? A type of the eukaryotic flagellum with numerous hair-like projection along with the stalk. It is called the tinsel flagella. In simple things, hair-like structure present in the flagella, it is called the tinsel flagella. Whereas naked flagella are referred to as the whip-lace flagella. अब cilia की बात करते हैं. Cilia have a beat with the two distinctive phases. In the effective stalk, the cilia moves through the surrounding fluid like an oar, thereby propelling the organism. Cilium next bends along its length while it is pulled forward during the recovery stalk in preparation for another effective stalk. At ciliated microorganism actually coordinates the beats so that some of its cilia are in the recovery phases while another are carrying out their effective stalk. These coordinates allow the organism to move smoothly through the water. Another important structure present in the cilia and flagella are the membrane bound cylinder. In cilia and flagella, membrane bound cylinder is present about 0.2 micrometer in diameter. Located in the matrix of the organelle is the axoneme. What is the axoneme? In which consists of the 9 microtubules doublets arranged in a circle around the two central microtubules. This is called 9+2 pattern of microtubules. 9+2 कैसे होता है? 9 और 2 सेंट्रल माइक्रोट्यूबलेट्स के पीछे अरेंज होता है, उसको बोलते हैं 9+2. मीन मतलब सराउंडिंग कितने होते हैं 9 और सेंट्रल में कितने होते हैं 2, तो उसकी पैटर्न क्या हुई 9+2 पैटर्न ऑफ माइक्रोट्यूबुलेट्स. Basal body lies in the cytoplasm at the base of each cilium or flagellum. It is a short cylinder with the 9 microtubulate triplets around its periphery and is separated from the rest of the organelle by a basal plate. The basal body directs the construction of this organelle. Cilia and flagella appear to grow through the addition of the performed microtubulate subunit at their tips. Cilia and flagella bend because adjacent microtubulate doublets slide along one another while maintaining their individual length. The doublet arms about 15 nanometer long and are made up of the protein dynein. It is a very important microtubulate, or we can say doublet arm are made up of प्रोटीन. उसमें प्रोटीन प्रेजेंट होता है, उसका नाम क्या है डायनिन. डायनिन आर्म इंटरेक्ट विद द बी सब ट्यूब्स ऑफ एडजेसेंट doublet to cause the sliding. The radial spokes also participate in this sliding motion. ATP powers the movement of cilia and flagella. It is a very important thing. उसकी cilia और flagella की मूवमेंट में कौन एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ATP. Cilia and flagella beat at the rate of about 10 to 40 stroke or waves per second and propel the microorganism rapidly. The flagellate protist एग्जाम्पल दिए हुए हैं. cilia और flagella किस माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म में हेल्प करता है कितने सेकंड में, वो दिया हुआ है. फर्स्ट है फ्लैजिलेटेड प्रोटिस्ट मोनास स्टिग्माटिका स्विम्स एट द रेट ऑफ 260 माइक्रोमीटर पर सेकंड एंड द यूग्लिनोइड फ्लैजिलेट यूग्लिना ग्रासिलिस travels at around 170 micrometer or 3 cell length per second. Next, the ciliated protist Paramecium cordatum swims about 2700 micrometer per second. तो डिफरेंट प्रोटिस्ट के एग्जाम्पल दिए हुए हैं कि cilia और flagella कितनी रेट पे मूवमेंट करते हैं. दिस इज अ फिगर ऑफ द cilia and flagella. In left hand side in figure number 1, direction of flagella, or we can say direction of motion present in the flagella are indicated in the figure. And next B, this is a cilia movement are present, direction of motion is opposite. In right hand side, this is a 9 tubulous microtubulates are arranged and central 2 microtubulates are also arranged. Plasma membrane are also indicated in this figure. Central microtubulates 9+2 pattern are indicated. Radial spokes जो ग्रीन कलर के इंडिकेटेड है. Then inner state nexin. What is a nexin? Is a proteinous inter-doublet linkage that prevents the microtubulates in the outer layer of the exosome from moving with the respect to one another. Then A tubule and the B tubule, doublet microtubule and dynein arm. What is dynein? Dynein is a protein present in the microtubules. Thank you watching my video. ये जो होल यूनिट है वो प्रेस्कोट 9th एडिशन में से कवर किया हुआ है. उसकी रेफरेंस बुक है प्रेस्कोट 9th एडिशन. यहाँ पे हमारा होल चैप्टर कंप्लीट होता है. सम क्वेश्चंस इम्पोर्टेंट हैं जो कैसे पूछे जा सकते हैं एग्जामिनेशन में है, वो है फर्स्ट, व्हाट mechanisms contribute to the folding of eukaryotic chromosome? Second, what is the role of the mitochondrial DNA? Third, discuss in detail chloroplast and hydrogenosomes. Fourth questions, write a short note on cilia and flagella. All are the important questions asked in your examinations, and thank you watching my video.